Buen provecho.
We are here in Isabela, and there's an event of the gifts for children celebrating Christmas. Yeah, we're having a ball. We got a soccer ball. That's pretty fun. We got a jumping castle. I didn't know anything about it.
De aquí de la cooperativa de los Hoteles Isabela, la playa público aquí, llevando alegría en esta fiesta que la cooperativa le tiene para todos sus socios. Ahí está. El director y su personal, él tiene un saludo al modo por igual. Él tiene un saludo al modo por igual. Con el mismo tema quiero terminar. Con el mismo tema quiero terminar.
Mom, look, it's what I asked for Christmas.
It is?
Look how beautiful this is. Juan Miranda's farm. Look at these cool fruits. Now we're gonna check it out, see what it is. We're not sure what this is called. Ah, sí, parece cherry, cereza.
Don't tell me you like that.
It's okay. It's not super kind of mealy. It's not bad. La musa. Esa es una musa.
¿La tienes?
Sí. This is a abiu, and it looks almost like a lemon, but you open it, just push it in. Whoa, juicy. Wow. Look at that. ¿Cómo así? Mmm. Ah, that's really good. How would I describe that? Gosh, it's a kind of cantaloupe-y, a little bit banana texture. Mmm, it's really good. Gotta taste it. Today we are here in Aguadilla at an area called Rompeolas, or the wave breaks. And from this angle you can see the old sugar mill pier, which was one of the only sugar mill piers that actually delivered the sugar straight to the boat from up here in Aguadilla. And then from this way is the old pier. So this one is all kind of broken up in rocks and stuff now. And then also right here is a restaurant, and we were going to eat at it, but right now it's closed for another couple hours. So we'll have to go somewhere else, but it's still a very beautiful day. Look at the gorgeous waters. Good job.
Mommy, I caught a spider.
Did you? Let me see. Whoa, look at that. Here in the backside of Aguadilla Plaza. It's a monument to the Tres Reyes, and it's in the form of the Puerto Rican flag. And it also has swings. Everything all at once. It's a really cute little spot back here, kind of tucked away behind some of these houses. And it's got this little basketball court over here. It's also painted. A beautiful mural. Pretty cool. Yeah, careful though. Look at this, even behind this Tres Reyes is an abandoned house. Come up here, be real careful. this. It's pretty cool, huh? Yeah, the Trace Razor outside. You're always finding something cool, huh? Lots of adventure everywhere. Moseying around Aguadilla again. This is a park we visited a few times. It's really beautiful. This is called Parque Parterre in Aguadilla, and it's got an actual natural spring or river outlet right here. Through here they have these bridges and nice walking paths, and just beyond is the ocean. Kiosks on the other side of the turn. Then we have the casas coloridas, the goat hill houses that were painted in very, very bright colors. So lots to see just in this one little area.